My back is killing me. Oh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be doing another one of these clean with me hyperlapses, because guys, look at this mess. Just look at it, and in front of me. Okay, it's not that much, it's not that big of a mess, but it's still a mess and it still needs to be cleaned, and it's so satisfying to watch myself in fast motion clean, and I'm pretty sure it's satisfying for some of you out there. So let me show you what the whole situation looks like, and then we're gonna get to cleaning. Okay, dokie, so this is my table situation. It's not that bad, but I mean, it still needs to be cleaned. So let's do it. Let's just do it. Okay, and that is my table clean, but today is no regular schmegular video. You see these? These are dirty. These need to be washed. So I'm going to show you guys today how I wash my brushes. Obviously I'm not going to show you guys like all of my brushes, I'm just going to do some of them, and then this is gonna be a long video. Actually no, not really, because we have the Pink Cosmetics brush cleaner. That makes life so much easier. So in normal circumstances, what I would do is, you can see some of these brushes are still clean. I would kind of just leave the clean brushes, but considering the state of the country right now, I think I'm just gonna wash all my brushes just for cleanliness purposes. I kind of just split my brushes into like big surface area and small surface area. So let's get to washing these brushes, shall we? Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Pink Cosmetics brush cleaner, and this foundation brush gave me quite a bit of a hassle to wash, but I make sure I'll try and wash every single bit of foundation out of this brush. Sometimes these brushes are stained, so you just need to wash your brush and just keep washing it until you can see that the water is running clear. That's when you know it's properly washed. You really want to take care into washing your facial brushes, because it's really important that those are nice and clean, because they can harbor bacteria because it's constantly in contact with your skin. Same going for eye brushes as well, although the bigger brushes do hoard a little bit more product than the smaller brushes, so you have to really take your time and really get that dirt out of your brush. You can see this one's fairly clean. It has a little bit of staining in the center, but it is clean for the most part. Then I'm gonna go in with 4 brushes. These are brushes that I use regularly, sometimes to cut out on time, or to cut down on time rather. I'll take about like 4 brushes, whether it's eye brushes or face brushes, and I kind of just dip them into the Pink Cosmetics brush cleaner all together and kind of just get a good lather going through all of them. This may be tricky for some of you because some brushes don't get soap enough, so make sure you're coating all of the brushes with enough soap and you're creating a really good lather on all of those brushes. And my brush mat looks so dirty, and that's because it got stained by black and blue paint. So don't mind that, you guys. I'm hoping after a few washes it will come off, but it's just stained my mat so badly. And here's a hyperlapse of me cleaning my other brushes. Okay guys, so I must admit that didn't take me as long as I thought it was going to take me. But also the Pink Cosmetics brush cleaner is so good. So good. You guys definitely need to try that one out. makes your brushes smell amazing and super soft, and it's just bomb.com. So yeah, I kind of tilt my brushes inwards so that they can dry, like the water actually comes out from this portion. You can go ahead and you can leave your brushes like this for a couple of hours and then go ahead and dry them with a hairdryer. I wouldn't suggest drying them straight away, because what happens is water collects in the ferrule, and then what can tend to happen is over time the water loosens your glue on your brushes, and that's when they start to come apart. So that's my tip, you guys. I think in total this probably took me probably an hour. I think the brushes take the longest, to be honest, but yeah, an hour is really not that long. And sometimes what I will do is before I pack my brushes away, I will wipe down these ferrules with alcohol. You guys know I keep my alcohol spray here, so I kind of will just wipe down the ferrules, wipe down the handles as well. With my personal collection, with my personal collection, if I'm being honest, I'm not too pedantic about wiping the ferrules down all the time, but with certain brushes, like when you can see there's dirt on the ferrule, like this one's completely clean, probably because I haven't used it but I washed it anyway, then I don't really bother. But especially with my pro kit and stuff, I have to sanitize and disinfect the entire ferrule and handle, and the case it's actually in as well. So really, really important for you guys to note that if you are doing makeup on other people, because I know sometimes you may not be a makeup artist, but maybe your family member asked you to do their makeup, and yeah, it is what it is. Always make sure you disinfect everything, guys. Okay, so that is it for me. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this clean with me video. I personally really love the sped up hyperlapses, like it's so satisfying to me. But yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Also, if you guys don't have the Pink Cosmetics brush cleaner, you can use your shampoo, you know, the one that you use for your head. You can use that. It works just as well. It breaks down all of the product in your brushes just as well as brush cleaner, but I highly recommend the Pink Cosmetics one. I think it's one of the best brush cleaners I've ever tried thus far. Second to that would probably be the Sigma one, but you know, Sigma is not widely available, but if you can get your hands on that one's also really good. It also has like these, like a texture in the actual soap, so it's like 2-in-1. You're soaping and lathering and getting the grime out all at once. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to slay all day every day with Amazon makeup, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye bye.